I didn't feel like studying today, but I still have 14 lectures left. Green tea as it improves focus, guys. So hello cuties. I'm CBSE Class 12th Science student and struggling with backlogs. So let's beat procrastination together. And this is day 2 of my 7 days backlog series. I started with 20 lectures and completed 3 lectures on day 1. Don't forget to watch day 1 vlog as well. Today's target, 3 lectures again. Zero motivation, but not going to repeat same mistakes and waste this year as well. So starting with easier subject, maths. I'm doing symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix topic today. Finally, 4th lecture done and today's first. Now physics hard one. Last lecture of GH1 and practice session. But after seeing numericals, I am dead. But still continue. Honestly, today was harder than day 1, but somehow managed by forcing myself. And finally completed. At last, chemistry something easy. Day 2 complete. Still a long way to go.